Calculation of empirical formula by using percentage compositions is the most repeated question format in every JEE mains question. Hello students, let us start today molecular formula as well as empirical formula. See here, molecular formula is representing exact number of atoms of each element. Empirical formula representing simplest ratio of atoms of each element. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N, where N is equal to molar mass by empirical mass. Percentage of an element is equal to weight of an element by total mass of compound into 100. Atomic mass, average atomic mass calculation done whenever any isotopes given of same element. So formula given here once you refer it properly. Similarly, average molar mass for gaseous mixtures. So one gas W1 into M1, second gas W2 into M2. Or you can write here W1 and M1 is N1 of gas 1, W2 into M2 is N2 of gas 2. And total moles N total. Then so JEE Mains 2025 January question based on same percentage compositions. So let us see how to solve such type of questions here. Observe it and follow the format. So first I am taking here three elements whatever given in the question. One, it is carbon given, followed by hydrogen also given, and then even oxygen. The respective percentages we take like 54.2% by its number of moles. First we are calculating for every element number of moles divided by atomic mass. Hydrogen it is 9.2 by its atomic mass 1. Oxygen it is 36.6 by its atomic mass 16. Okay. After the calculation here you will get 4.52 moles, here 9.2 moles, here it is 2.28 moles. So after this we divide all the values by using simplest value. Here we divide all the values by using simplest value to get simplest ratio of atoms. So what we need to do, see now. After getting the value 4.52 by simplest value among these it is 2.28. So if you do it approximately you will get 2 and 9.2, and then if you see 9.2 by simplest value 2.28, so here you are getting 4, then followed by 2.28 by 2.28. So we are dividing all the values by using lowest value among those three. Keep in mind the format. So here you get 1. Okay. So now after dividing all the values by using lowest value, we got now simplest ratio of atoms. What we call it as empirical formula, which is C2H4O. It is empirical formula, simplest ratio of atoms. So what is the mass of empirical formula here? If you add total 2 into 12 plus 4 plus 16, 44 is the empirical mass of the given formula. But in question they asked about molecular formula. And we know molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula where N is equal to molar mass by empirical mass. In question they specified molar mass is 132, empirical mass is 44. Empirical formula is C2H4O. So then molecular formula. So molecular formula is equal to, now here you will get 3. So 3 into C2H4O. Overall after calculation here is C6H12, C6H12O3. C6H12O6, that is final answer. So according to given, C6H12O3 is correct answer for the given question. Very easy. Once if you know the method, easily you can calculate. See, first we calculate number of moles. Among these three values, lowest value find it, divide all the values by using lowest value. So that simplest ratio of atoms you will get. After knowing this, molecular formula is N into empirical formula. Molar mass by empirical mass gives, multiplication gives molecular formula. That's all. I think it is clear to everyone. For more updates, follow the channel. Thank you.